Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Sentry for error reporting from VPS apps step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Sentry account on the Sentry website. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Projects option from the drop-down menu. Choose the project you want to authenticate from your list of existing projects or create a new project if needed. Locate the Client Keys section on the Project Settings page. Copy the DSN, which is your unique data source name needed for authentication. Next, access your VPS through SSH or your preferred method. Open the application file where you intend to implement Sentry. Install the Sentry SDK for your programming language if you haven't already. For Node.js, run npm install at sentry/node in your terminal. For Python, use pip install upgrade Sentry SDK. After installation, import the Sentry SDK at the start of your application file. For Node.js, use const sentry equals require at sentry/node. For Python, use import sentry_SDK. Initialize Sentry with your DSN. In Node.js, this is done by calling sentry.init DSN your _DSN. In Python, use sentry_SDK.init DSN equals your _DSN. Ensure that error capturing is set up in your application. For Node.js, you can add error handling middleware. For Python, wrap your application with sentry_SDK.init to capture errors across your Flask or Django app. Now, trigger an error in your application to test the integration. Check your Sentry dashboard to confirm that the error has been reported successfully. This concludes the step-by-step process for authenticating to Sentry for error reporting from VPS applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.